Hello, everyone. It's Rams from Guest Lodgings. Today, we're going to be having a demo on bookings. So, as you all know, we will be talking specifically on the two types of booking: direct booking, and which is instant booking, and the other option, which is not instant booking. So, definitely, you need to have created an account on guestlodging.com. As you can see from here, we have a guest account here because we have just five features: my profile, favorite, reservations, inbox, lockout, and we also have a host account where we have my profile, my listings, add new listings, favorite, reservation, bookings, inbox, invoices, lockout. So as a business person who has a property to rent on short-term basis on guestlodging.com, LnG platform, you definitely need to open an account as a host. This is a host account. If you see, you go under my listings, you have a series of listings here for this host account, a series of listing. Uh, if you go to the guest account, you have no listings. You only have reservations. As of now, there are no reservation under this guest account. So let's assume that we have a guest. Assume that you have two accounts, the guest account and the host account. So you have to sign in your guest account and try to search a property that was listed in your host account. Let's look at what I have in my host account. In my host account, this is the list of property that I have listed. Beautiful apartment, modern guest house, modern studio, beautiful guest house, modern villa, modern single family house. So let's say I want to book modern guest house, which is a property that I listed in Accra. Modern guest house. This is a property that I listed in Accra, Ghana. So the best way to search this property, because we are doing our training, so as I said, you have to list properties in your host account, then sign in your guest account to book the specific one of those specific property that you listed in your host account. That is for the training. But on a normal business day, a guest can book any property on the platform that he or she wants to rent. So there are no restrictions. A guest in South Africa who is coming to maybe Cameroon, can book a property. Let's say the guest from South Africa is going to Douala for a business meeting. A guest can book any property that is listed in Douala, irrespective of what listed it. Only the host will have a message that the property has been booked or a request for a property has been sent. So that host will receive that email or a message in his his booking folder, my bookings. That's the folder that the host is going to receive the message. If a random guest anywhere in the world books a property that was listed in Douala by a host in Douala, so he's going to receive either a booking request or a booking that will come under is my bookings folder. So assume that let's assume that I listed this property, modern guest house, in my host account. So I'm going now to my guest account to book that property. I will list it in Ghana. So I go to my host account, sign in. I go to my guest account, sorry. I go to my guest account. This is my guest account. I sign in my guest account. I go to search properties. I know that that property that I listed was in Accra, Ghana. Wonder where do you want to go? I'll type Accra, Ghana. I start to scroll down. You see the modern guest house. This is it, modern guest house. I select the modern guest house. I'll try to book it. Between the 24th and 26th. 24 and 26 for 124,000 francs CFA. Scroll down. You need to add at least a guest, adult, or just one guest. And I will click book now. When I click book now, you're going to see booking request sent. Please wait for the owner confirmation. The reason why this booking request is being sent is because this property that I just booked, when it was being listed, the instant booking was not checked. So when instant booking is not checked, it means that you cannot do instant booking. So you are going to do a booking that will need a booking request to be sent to the host. So when you go to the host account, when you go to the host account, which is my host account, I go under my bookings. I'm going to see that this property has been booked. Look at the status. It's showing pending. And the property name, the property title is Modern Guest House. Look at where they say issue invoice, reject booking request. So if I decide to reject to click on booking request, it means I'm rejecting this booking request that was sent. I don't want the guest to book this property. If I click on issue invoice, it means I'm accepting the booking request that has been sent. So I will click on issue invoice. So an invoice has been issued. So I send the invoice to the guest. So if you look now, the color has changed to green, invoice issued. So if I go now to the guest account, if I go now to the guest account, if I go now to the guest account under my bookings, sorry. If I go now to the guest account under my reservation, I'm going to see the invoice that was issued to the guest account. So this is the invoice. Invoice created, check and pay. So I'll click on check and pay. It's processing. So this is it. You're going to see US dollars. So don't bother about this US dollars currency that's appearing because the default currency for this software platform is US dollars. So I'll click on pay now. I'll click on pay now. Put the necessary information. You have to put the telephone number of your network because we are going to use a mobile money payment system. So in that case, we have three payment processing gateways. We have four payment processing gateways. We have credit card and debit cards. This one's for WooCommerce payment. We have Flutterwave, PayPal, and credit card from Stripe. So we are going to check Flutterwave. Flutterwave is the payment processing company that deals with mobile payment. So when you select Flutterwave, you go right up again, put the telephone number. I'm going to put Cameroon telephone number so that we can process it, the payment. So when I put the Cameroon telephone number, come right down here and click on place order. When I click on place order, this is the guest trying to pay for the booking. The network is a little bit slow. So at this level, you're going to see Cameroon because actually we put the Cameroon telephone number. It's MTN number. Come here and select your mobile network, which is MTN. You select mobile money. It's already selected here. That's why it is showing selection on mobile money here. So you proceed to paying 100,000, 126,480 francs CFA. You click pay. You see composé 126 sur votre téléphone, on your mobile telephone number. This is written in French. You can change it to English. For now, this particular message will be in French. So when you type on your phone, *126# you are validating the payment. So I don't want to validate the payment. When you put on this *126# on your phone, the telephone number that you use, that is the phone they are using, put that, compose that, is going to validate the payment. So the payment will be validated and processed. We don't want to do that. So take note. So that's why I'm canceling this process. So the next step would be to put that *126# on your telephone number to validate the payment. Okay, let's move now to checking the guests. We already checked the guest reservation. That was done. We checked the host bookings. We've seen that it was booked and an invoice was issued from the host account, and the guest was able to process the payment to the level where you put the MTN number, and also where you need to put the code that will be sent to you to validate the payment on your phone. So that's for booking that is not, you're not, that the listed property was not checked, instant booking. So we have to move now to the booking where you are able to do instant booking. Where when the property was being listed, the 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 host actually checked instant booking during the listing of the property in the description stage. So let me cancel this invoice because we have not processed it. Now go now to the reservation. I'll cancel this booking request because we did not process it completely. So when I cancel this booking request, if you go to the host account, you will no longer see it there. So let's go to the host account to see if cancellation has affected the account. If you refresh, so you see the cancellation has actually affected the host account if the booking was to cancel by the guest. So the host will have the booking in his or her my booking folder, cancelled, deleted. Now we're going out to book a property that has instant booking check. So let me go to my listings. This first property, beautiful apartment, has instant booking checked. If you go to edit property, you'll see that instant booking was checked. Allow instant bookings. Instant booking, if checked, you will not have the option to reject booking requests. So that is in the host account. Now I will go now to the guest account to book this property that has instant booking checked. And the property is beautiful apartment listed still in Accra, Ghana. So let's move now to the guest account. And go to search properties. I'm searching this property in Accra, Ghana. This is the property, beautiful apartment. Select it. Go to where I have to pay. Check-in date 24 to 26. It can be just one day, 24 to 25th, or more than 2 days. but I'm taking 2 days for guests. Add just one adult. Because if you look at here, you see instant booking. So when I click on instant booking, it's processing. It shows me directly to pay. So there's no option like booking request send. No. So I'll just click on pay now. Right. So I put Cameroon mobile number. Scroll down and make sure I select Flutterwave for mobile payment. For now, we're going to concentrate all on Flutterwave because all our processing, payment processing will be done using Flutterwave mobile payment gateway. So if everything's good and fine, you click on place order. You have to select the mobile network company, which is MTN. Mobile money has been selected automatically because actually we've selected Flutterwave. If you select Flutterwave, automatically mobile money is going to be selected. Flutterwave also process card payment, debit and credit card payment, which is right over here. You can take that. If you take that, you have to put, if you take card, you have to put your card information, stuff like that. But for now, we're dealing with just with mobile money. So when you're done with selecting the mobile network MTN, make sure Cameroon is selected. Cameroon automatically be selected because the number that we put is a Cameroon number. So we click on pay. So now you have to type *126# on your telephone number. On your telephone, make sure the telephone you're using, they're going to send you you're going to see a dialog box that will appear on your telephone to type in this code. So when you type in this code on your telephone, on your mobile phone, you're going to validate the payment, and, and the transaction will be processed completed. So we are not going to do that because we don't want to process this payment. So I have to cancel it from here. Remember, this number that I'm using is owned by somebody in Cameroon. That's why I'm canceling the payment not to go through. So let me just cancel the invoice in the card, view card, checkout, cancel it from here. My reservation, go to my reservation, I will cancel the booking. I want to proceed. the booking is cancelled. So if I go now to the guest, to the host account and go to my bookings, I will not see anything there. So that is it for instant booking. So we're going to end the demo here. The next demo will be on booking. I mean, random booking, just random booking. This is just for the training. So the next booking demo will be just random booking. Let's say somebody in Nigeria is trying to book accommodation in South Africa, somebody in Chad is trying to book accommodation in Equatorial Guinea. So how is the process booking going to be done? So it's going to be just similar to what we've just done, but the fact now is that they will just go to the platform and search. But the reason why I'm restricting us to have two accounts, guest account and the host account, is because we are going to be helping out uh, a lot of people that will be having issues of booking as a guest and issues of listing property as a host, especially those who are running companies like guest house owners, hotel owners. They will be having a lot of issues. So you need to understand booking from the guest perspective, from the guest account, and booking from the host account, and also how the processing is being executed, so that you understand the issues. You're also going to face issues, and when you figure out and resolve those issues, that's going to help you subsequently in resolving others' issues. That is it. Thank you.